go take a drive to see if I see someone selling watermelon, and then we'll eat it for dessert.
This one here is a medium-sized seedless watermelon. This one is a large seeded watermelon. And this one is a small seedless watermelon.
This one is perfect. I'll take this one right here. Pink on the inside and full of seeds. Watermelon for my fruity needs. Super juicy and very sweet. Full of vitamins for me to eat. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and today I am sharing with you my 5th me-made garment for my fruity fashion collection, which is the watermelon dress. So the watermelon has always been a main fruit in my life because my father absolutely loves watermelon, and he always had it at the house when we were growing up. And even now, there's still always watermelon at my parents' house, and now the grandchildren are the ones that are reaping the benefits of this sweet fruit. And that is one of the main reasons why I absolutely had to include the watermelon in this Fruity Fashion Collection series. So let's talk about the pattern that I use, but as I've said in previous videos, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below so that I know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. So the pattern that I use is McCall's 8213, and I made View B, and the description is Mrs. Dresses. The skill level is set to be at very easy, and very easy it is. The notions that you need, of course, is going to be your thread. You also need 7/8 yards of 1 1/4 inch elastic, and the pattern sizing is extra small through extra large, and I cut a medium, which is very rare. I do think that it overall looks like the drawing on the pattern envelopes. I think it looks identical, and the instructions were super duper easy to follow. The things that I liked about the pattern was I like the gathers that are at the top of the front bodice. I like the strap options, in particular the tie straps and the length of them, which is actually the straps that I put on to my dress. I just think the length is perfect. I also like the ruffled tier options because you can either have 2 or you can have 1. And I just in general like the simple design of the dress. It's very cute, very nice, it's very forgiving, and it's very easy to wear. So there was actually nothing that I disliked about the pattern. I am more of a simple person the majority of the time, and this fit the bill. I don't have any complaints. The fabric that I use is 100% cotton fabric that I purchased from Joann Fabrics, and it has these watermelon slice prints on here with the seeds scattered throughout, and then there is like a turquoise greenish background within the fabric, and I just thought it was nice, cute, and bright. I did make a few alterations to the pattern, nothing major, but I made View B, but of course, like I said previously, I made the straps from View A, which were the tie straps, because I didn't want to have set-in straps because they usually kind of like fall off. And I extended the dress by 1 inch, and I also lengthened the tier ruffle by 5 inches because I didn't want it to come above my knees. I also widened the tiered ruffle pattern piece by 2 inches because that was what was going to be left for scraps, and I didn't want to waste it, so I just included that within the pattern piece because it would not hurt. It would only make the gathers look fuller, so why waste that and throw it out when I could actually use it and it would benefit the look of the dress. I don't have any recommendations other than if you don't want it to be, you know, above your knees and you want to make view B other than just lengthening it like I did. But I would definitely recommend this to others. Definitely very, very easy sew, very cute, and very easy to wear, like I said earlier. As far as accessories, I have paired these earrings that were given to me by my mother as a gift, and I just added my gold herringbone necklace that I've had since my oldest child was an infant. So now I will insert clips and pictures to show you more of this watermelon dress, and I will give you some interesting fun facts about the watermelon. So here are your fun facts. Watermelons are both a fruit and a vegetable, and you can eat the entire fruit. While we tend to focus on the inside of the watermelon, watermelon rinds are also edible and are full of nutrients with surprising health benefits. And in China, the rinds are often stir-fried or stewed, while in the South, cooks like to pickle them. Watermelons are 92% water, making them a perfect refresher for the hot summer days. They come in 1,200 different varieties. Seedless watermelons are not genetically engineered, as they are the result of hybridization, which is a perfectly natural phenomenon that farmers can nevertheless capitalize on. Watermelons can help prevent cancer because they have a great source of lycopene, which is an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of several types of cancers, including prostate, lung, and stomach. And the watermelon has been known as a natural Viagra due to its citrulline content. The novelty of a cube-shaped watermelon started in Japan, where they would grow them in a glass cube to hold their shape. So that is it for my fifth garment for my Fruity Fashion collection, which again is the watermelon dress. The next garment in this series is going to be the very last one, so make sure you stay tuned, because that video will not only be the grand finale, but I will also be doing a giveaway, and I will be showing what that giveaway prize will be. And I have to say, that is a pretty nice package deal that someone's gonna be getting. Also, make sure that you go back and watch any unwatched videos within the series, because you may just need to know something from one of those videos in order to win the prize. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked how my dress turned out, and I hope you learned something new from the watermelon fun facts. If you did, go ahead and click the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, so that you don't miss any uploads, and also click the gray notification bell and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my new and returning subscribers, and I will see you in the next video.